is just some file. It's similar like SPF is a load file, right? XML load file. You use spreadsheet or use XML file. So for here, I'm just defined a CSV. So all the objects that we can use the load file. For you can load the users. You can load the class, for example. Okay, so the class is here. So right now we define the for, right? So that's the defined. You can write whatever the new stuff here, and also the security stuff you can put here. And once you just put here, and then use the interface to load. I will show you later. Similarly, if you list the object, right? It's just very simple. Object name, description, and the class name belong to. So that's the node is for the loading log things. So I will show you later. If you load this piece of data, if after load is successful or not, if there's any error will be displayed here. And for example, you can load the interface. So object name, for example, you want to load some interface belong to this mechanical one. Just put the mechanical one interface name, and you also can put the security here, or you can put the Mongo object ID here. So why put here is something is for example, there's customer have a same object name but represent a different meaning. So for identify those kind of things, that means that the object name is not unique. So you can through this Mongo find this specific ID and then put here, so it will guarantee the interface will attach to this specific object, even this object have a duplicate name. And let's show this property. Same thing, either specify the object name or object ID interface. So this kind of the property name, description, and the value attached to this interface is just very simple listed here. So the document manager group has grabbed the data from the engineer or from the drawings, and then they just simply put the data into this spreadsheet and then load it. Okay, you can also can do the assign the relationship between the objects. So for example, you have a object here, mechanical 2, you want to relate it to this mechanical 20 is a left object, this is right object, so you can associate it to this mechanical 2. So you just list here. And then load. Similarly, tree view relationship. Which is unit 9. I put here the unit 8, right? It's associated with it. It's very simple. You just put the data here, or you use a tree ID. Why put here is similar to the reason. For example, the tree node name maybe is the same, but represented it is a different. The code is the same, but the represented the different meaning. Some code is belong to, for example, belong to mechanical tag classification, but the user have exactly same code name belong to instrument, for example. So, which means this specific code is not unique, but the user want to associate objects to the mechanical, for example. The mechanical node, you need to put the tree ID here, so it's guaranteed you will associate your object to this specific node. Which is I'm talking about here. This unit 8 have a relationship with this. You can load file is automatically create a relationship between these two. So also I have attached file, so you can attach multiple files to the specific file. So in one thing I want to mention here is in GreenEDM we don't have a vote concept like SPF. We stored all the attached file inside the MongoDB, which SPF also have a similar option, right? So we find is stored all the file inside the database is a good solution. Is more safe. Also have a good performance and less management. So how to do this? So just hit administration and then hit the load data files, and then you choose whatever you can choose the file you want import. So let's say I want to import everything together. So this sequence is very important. This will be guard this import utility load this file sequentially. So O has 9 files, and then if you want to you have some file you want to attach, you just choose here. You want to select attach file. For example, and then you can upload the file and import the data. Okay, I'm not going to do this because I already did. So I tried input about 40,000 records with all the recorded in this 95 9 files. It's about only about half hours for load all the data. Okay, this is part. This is a part 3 demo. Next video I will discuss about the data reporting and the view markup. Okay, thank you for viewing.